Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ma Victoria Breeze. Today Mirek is installing the plug pole on top of our water tank. We put in there, but it was already broken, or it was already so old, and we take it and change into a new one. And this is the one that Mirek order. Is a Filipino plug and Polish plug. My grandson is holding the Polish plug. Say hi!
Hi!
Irish flag, Filipino flag.
And we will put on top of our water tank. Symbol that we are Filipino and Mirek is Polish. Irish. What is your Filipino? Polish.
Everything.
Polish and
Irish.
Irish.
And British.
And British.
Polish flag.
How much is that one, Mirek?
Don't remember. Really? I think Polish about 400 each.
It's not cheap. He ordered that one in... Is it in Lazada?
No, Temu.
Temu. Which is...
It was cheaper in Temu than in Lazada.
And it came from...
China.
China?
Yes, made in China.
Made in China. But it's a good... the only thing is no hassle.
Yeah.
When you order in Temu, if you want to give it back, there is a damage or you have a complaint, it's so easy.
Yeah, very easy. Money in 2-3 days in your accounts. Back in
They
your
will
account.
give back the money.
So it's really great.
And always, there is always a free. No, Mirek?
Yeah.
Free item. That's why Mirek always like to buy in Temu.
How it was. Yes, big stick, darling.
Hindi abot, Nay. Di abot. Layo po yun, no. Layo.
What Irish?
No, it is Filipino. Sorry.
Maybe Filipino first there. And then
Where is first?
in this one.
Okay.
Bayang magili, perlas ng silanganan, sing.
Lovely.
Lagi.
Alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo
See how long this will last.
lupang. I see. There the flag,
And now Polish flag.
and then the Polish flag.
The Polska jest gineła, póki my żyjemy. I better don't sing.
Apoy, Nay.
Happy, bravo!
Clap your hands, Arben. So Mirek finished to install the two flags, Filipino flag and Polish flag.
Why do we got it.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share. Don't forget to click the bell button so you'll be notified in our next video. Bye-bye. God bless everyone. The two flag is waving. Proud to be Filipino, proud to be Polish, proud to be British, and proud to be Irish.
You say, blame me. And tell the red one is Spanish word.
Mirek is going up again because he make a mistake. We realized that the flag should be blue on top and then red down.
Change.
Up. Up. Up.
We are not at war. So we have to change.
Blue must be up and ready because I think that's what I think. If ready is up, it's a war, but it's not war. So blue must be. So that's it. Mirek correct the flag. Proper way.
That's how it should be.
Blue is up, the color blue is up, and then red is down.
Like that better? No. Or like this?
That is
No, which way is better?
okay.
But this one is different.
Oh yeah, why?
Oh, hallelujah.
I think much better the one for a.
Okay.
Oh, that one.
All right, that's it.
Okay, that's it.
Now it's correct.
Bye bye.